everybody, I'm back once again with another hair tutorial. Today I'm showing you 3 different ponytail styles that you can do for 3 different occasions. Today I'm using this kinky straight wraparound ponytail. This is from Darling. You can find them at your local Walmart. Now let's jump right into our first look. For this first one, I'm doing a really simple ponytail. Of course, I'm going to lay the edges, and this is going to be a great style to wear in the gym. So I'm starting with stretched hair, and the first thing I'm going to do is spritz it with water. Next, I'm going to use this detangling brush to, what else? Detangle. And you can take the gel of your choice to start slicking down that pony. And I'm just going to put this all around the perimeter of my head. Next, I'm brushing that in. And tying up that ponytail. Now I'm going to take my natural hair and I'm just braiding it. And now for our Darling pony. So as you can see, this ponytail has kind of a pocket. You're going to stick your hair in here. It also has a comb at the top to secure the ponytail. And it has this piece here that you're going to use to wrap around the ponytail to hide, you know, any of the tracks or anything that might expose the fact that this is not your natural ponytail. So first we're going to insert our hair into the ponytail. Make sure it's in that pocket. Notice I have the comb out, and once I get it to the top, I'm going to stick it up under my ponytail. So right over that scrunchie. And at this point, I'm going to take this piece here. You'll know that this is the wraparound piece because it's attached by a Velcro strip. And you're going to wrap that Velcro strip around the front of your ponytail and just keep going all the way around and secure it with a bobby pin. And I'm going to take this African Pride Olive Miracle Super Hold and Smooth Edges, and I'm going to do my baby hair. I love this edge control because it has a really great hold, and you're going to need that in the gym, right? And of course, I'm going to tie up my edges for a little bit just to give them an opportunity to dry in place. And here's the finished look. Up next, we are getting ready for a pool party. Of course, you can wear this style anywhere else really, but I think it would be really cute for a pool party. I call this my mermaid ponytail because we're gonna do a fishtail style that's really cute, whether you're going to the beach, the pool, or just going to hang out with friends. So the first thing I'm gonna do is section off this middle part of my hair. It's gonna be kind of a triangle shape. Now, previously when I've done this style, at the time I had highlights, and this style is like really cute with highlights because it really brings out the fishtail in your natural hair. Because my hair is darker, it's not as noticeable, but I did what I could. And for those of you who don't know how to French braid, because that's really what this is, it's pretty much a cornrow in reverse. So instead of braiding outward, you're braiding inward. I hope that helps, but you can kind of watch and see what I'm doing to get the gist of things. Now that that's done, we're gonna install our ponytail once again. And at this point, I'm going to begin doing a fishtail on the ponytail. So what we're doing is pulling one piece from one side and crossing it over to the other side. And you're just gonna continue this about halfway down. Once you get about halfway, I added a elastic band, and now I'm going to continue the fishtail further down. And here's the finished look. And as we're approaching the evening hours, we're gonna start getting ready for the club. And what I'm gonna do here is 3 large cornrows in the front and 2 smaller ones, kind of parting those larger cornrows. I'm just gonna let you guys see how this plays out. Once again, we are using our edge control around the perimeter of these braids to get it nice and sleek. At this point, I decided to add some jewels to my hair to really zhuzh it up. And here's our finished look. That's all I have for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, if you like these styles, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions. And if you have not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss a video. And until next time, peace.